I woke up not too long ago and it got really nice, so I think I am going to go to the lake for a little bit. So yeah, I am all ready to go to the lake. I'm going to go make myself an iced latte, and then I'm going to hit the lake, come back, make breakfast, and then throughout the day I will show you guys what I am eating today. This video is in collaboration with Four Sigmatic, and I've been making their drinks so often lately, so I'm really excited to show you guys like my favorite ones in this video and when I like to enjoy them. We've got mushroom elixir mix, mushroom coffee, golden latte mushroom mix, chai latte mushroom mix, and then we've also got mushroom matcha mix, and I have a feeling this will be really good as an iced drink, so I think we're going to make this. So matcha is actually a really good coffee alternative. You can have it for morning or afternoon. It does contain caffeine, and in addition to the productivity and creative benefits that are associated with matcha, it also contains the mushroom lion's mane, which has those benefits as well. So you can make this hot or cold like I am showing here. This definitely does not have any sweetness, and I used unsweetened almond milk in it. But to be honest, when it's like early in the morning and I go to the lake and I'm spending time in the woods on shrooms, I actually prefer an earthy flavor. I feel like you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that it's not like a super sweet drink on its own. But yeah, I'm going to go take this to the lake, then I'm gonna come back and make some breakfast. They sent me the cutest package when they sent me the products. Like, this bag has been my summer bag this whole summer so far. So I'm back from the lake. Having that iced matcha while I was there was just so good. I just sat and I wrote some poems and I drank that, and then I swam, and it was just like an amazing morning. It was so good. So if you guys don't know what Four Sigmatic is, they create superfood mushroom coffees, teas, lattes, hot chocolate out of their mushroom powder, and then they also just have like the superfood mushroom elixir that is like a mushroom powder that you can add to whatever you like. So if you guys are interested in trying out some Four Sigmatic products, you can click the link in the description box below to get 15% off your first order, and you can go check out their website. It's super cool. So for breakfast, I decided to make my regular smoothie that I love making. So it's orange juice, water, some frozen banana, a whole heap of chia seeds, and I love that because they keep me full a lot longer. And then I also added some frozen acai, frozen berries, and a few cacao nibs just for fun, and blended that all up in my Vitamix. And then I put it into a glass and made kind of like a little mini smoothie bowl in a glass. So I added some granola and almond butter on top. Again, because it's not a huge smoothie, I find that the chia seeds and the granola and almond butter all just helps keep me fuller for a lot longer. So I really like adding stuff to my smoothies that give it some more staying power. For lunch, I used these Gusta seitan sausages. These are made in Montreal, and this is my favorite brand that I have found so far. They're so good. So I just fried those in a pan, and then I also fried some onions and red bell pepper. And then I was kind of trying to make like fancy topped hot dogs here. I don't know, this might be kind of weird, but I also added some of this barbecue jackfruit, kind of supposed to be like pulled pork, but it's made of jackfruit. I don't buy these kind of fancy vegan products all the time, but it is nice sometimes to have them on hand just for making meals like this, especially if you're, you know, busy during the summer and you don't want to take a super long time to cook stuff. This is a nice little quick and easy lunch, and it looks freaking cool, I think. I can't believe that this isn't meat. I can't believe it's like a fruit. And then I just made a little salad. I don't even think you could call this a salad. It was literally spinach with ranch dressing on it. This is another kind of like fancy vegan product that I don't buy that often. Normally I make my own salad dressing, but like I said, sometimes it's just nice to have these products on hand, because then it's super easy to throw a meal like this together and it tastes really good. So yeah, that was my lunch. For dinner, I heated up some water in a frying pan and steamed some veggies. So I did bell pepper, carrots, and snow peas. And then I also added in some frozen peas and frozen green beans. And I just cooked those for a couple minutes until they were softened. I just put a lid on it to help them cook faster. Then I added some Thai green curry paste. This is the one I use. It is the brand Thai Kitchen. So I put about a teaspoon of that in. And then I have frozen coconut milk cubes. So whenever I have leftover coconut milk that I don't want to just throw out, I just freeze it, and then you can have these cubes to use in like smoothies or ice cream or in curry like this. They just melt down and become coconut milk again. And then I added in some of this soy sauce substitute. You guys are gonna think I'm so weird. I have all these weird products, but it's literally just because I went to my health food store and balled out on vegan products. Like I just bought a bunch of random stuff, but it tastes good, so I like that. So then I added a little bit of maple syrup and some spinach and some cooked quinoa that I had sitting around in my fridge. This is honestly just the most simple meal, but it is so packed with flavor and so delicious. It's been one of my favorites in the summer for sure. Especially in the summer when it's so nice out and you just want to be outside all the time, or there's just like so much to do. You don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So that's why in the summer I tend to go for like prepackaged foods, like the sausages that I had for lunch. I usually stock up on stuff like those and veggie burgers just for quick meals. But also if you're not super into packaged foods like that, there are so many meals like this one that take literally 10 minutes to throw together. And even though it's so easy and it basically just cooks itself, like you just throw everything into the pan, it still just tastes so good. I think it is about time for me to eat this and then head back to the lake for the night. I usually go around sunset when the water is all sparkly, and when I come home I'm going to make a mushroom hot chocolate. So to cozy up and end my night after the lake, I made one of the mushroom hot cacao drinks with reishi mushrooms. And reishi is actually one of the world's most studied mushrooms, and it's been shown to help support sleep and occasional stress. So I really like drinking this anytime between 4 p.m. and midnight. It's not too sweet, but it still has that hot chocolate flavor with a little hint of cinnamon, and it is just the coziest, best drink for before bed. I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed my What I Eat in a Day summer edition. If you haven't already seen, I've done a fall and winter and spring edition of these already. So if you guys are interested in trying out Four Sigmatic for yourself, you can click the link below and get 15% off your first order. If you end up trying something, definitely leave a comment and let me know what you ordered or what you are interested in trying. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.